Hey Adele, it's Albert here. Um, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and escalate the issue, um, as this is it's across the platform, so um, it's going to be addressed. So right now, I just wanted to show you a workaround right now. So go ahead and go into any of your funnels that you're working with, and you can do this on any page. Okay, you can do this on every single page. So um, you're gonna have to go on each page, all right, and go to settings, go to general settings, all right, and you're going to go right here, the affiliate badge, and just make sure it's select to hide, okay, and that's it, all right, and then just make sure you hit save, and you're just going to have to go through each funnel, each page step, okay. You're just going to have to do that for each page, and it's a little bit of a pain, but it is easy fix for now, okay, until the back end is addressed, all right.